Hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to teach you how to make question paper on Google Docs form. So come on, let's get started. So first of all, you have to get into Google Chrome, and here you have www.googledocs.forms, and then please click on search go button, and here you can see the list has been displayed. Google Forms, free online surveys for personal use. Please click on this button and then you can select here personal, go to Google Forms and click on that. Here, as you can see, now the question paper has been started. Now you have to type here, suppose for example, periodic assessment. Periodic assessment 1. Alright, now if you click on untitled form, then directly it will be added. Now in the form description, you have to type class, that is, for example, if I take 6th. Now click on enter button. Next you have to add your subject. For example, I take here as English. Alright, now if you have to arrange it in an order, you have to please take care of this. Everything should be in an order wise. Okay, next please click on enter and then write down maximum marks. So as this is a PA1, so maximum marks is for 20 marks. Alright, so the next is you have to choose the duration as well. For writing the test, how much time do you need? So I take here 40 minutes. 40 minutes, right? Alright, so here we have done with this form description. Now let us see everything should be in an order wise. Okay, now you have to click on this TT button, as you can see here, plus TT button. Okay, so click on TT button and here you can find untitled title. So in that you have to add instruction which will be read by the students, and in this description optional form you have to write here only one response is allowed, full stop, then student should complete exam within the given time. Okay, so that was the description. Alright, so now here is the section button. As you can see here, the last button. Okay, the double box has been seen here, right here, right side last button. So click on that. Here it means the section is divided now. So untitled section is there, so you have to enter here. Enter the student details. Enter the student details. Alright, now please click on the description and write down, enter the correct details. So here details of the student should be entered. Alright, now as you can see here, plus option the left side, so click on left plus option and here you can see the question is added. So on the question part you have to click and you have to add here, enter the full name. Enter the full name. Here full name of the student should be taken. Alright, here short answer you have to select. Next it should be in a required, should be on. Okay, now go for the again plus option, one more question box has been given here, and then click on here section. The student is in which section? So here multiple choice you have to click and you have to select drop down option. Alright, now here A1 and second is A2. Okay, and click on required option and then go for the next, again plus option. Then here you have to select roll number of the student, and here you have to select drop down. Alright, so that student can scroll easily and choose that roll number 1, 2, 3 for example. Just click on add option and then you can enter the roll numbers. Well, I'll be giving here till 5 and click on required option. Well, that's it. Now you have to select the section. As you can see here, right side, first one is the section. The header folder should be divided. Now untitled section, in this I'll be writing as section 1 or section A. Section A. Section A is of fill in the blanks, suppose, or else multiple choice, as you can see. So before that you have to write some instruction like all the questions are compulsory to answer. Okay, and each question carries 1 mark. Alright, now suppose I take here 5 marks paper, so you have to write here 5 questions into 1 mark equals to 5 marks. Alright, done. Now you have to select the plus option and you have to add the question here. Suppose for example, what are vowels? If I write, then you have to select here multiple choice questions, multiple choice, and here you have to select and give the options here. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And one more, you can write wrong. Wrong option will be given B, C, D, F, G, etc. Now, in order to give you have to add here A, E, I, O, U. Suppose for example A, E, I, O, U. Okay, give in between space. Now you have to select the correct option. So you have to go here, 3 dot button, click on settings. Then this you have to remove. Just click on limit to 1 response, then presentation. Then here you have to add thank you. That means your paper is added and you will get a confirmation message. You have to make this quiz as on, and here you should not say. Then later after manual review, so that the student can't see the result or marks. Then click on save. That's it. Now you will be given option here in the question mark. See, as you can see here, right button. So click on this right button and you have to choose the marks. 1 marks I have given for this question. And what are vowels? The correct answer is A, E, I, O, U. So click on this circle and then done. So your answer is added. Alright, so let us take one more. If you want next question, go to plus option here and here the untitled question. So one more time you have to write another question. Like for example, what is noun? What is noun here? Again you have to choose multiple choice. The same thing, multiple choice, and then you have to write here. Noun, naming word. and click on add option, and one more option you have to add, that is describing words. Describing words. Alright, now please click on the left side blue button box and give the number. 1 mark I have given, and the correct answer is naming word I have ticked here, and click on done. That's it. So if you want to check how many marks you have attempted, here nothing but 2 marks you have attempted. Alright, so in that what I have given, how many marks we have to add here, we have to add of the 20 marks I have given. So in this way you can add more 20 questions, so that will become here 20 marks. So this paper is of multiple choice questions. Alright children, so in the next video I'll be showing you how to make a question paper as a match the following type. So before that we will be seeing here some changes like font. If you want to change this theme color, select any color and click on apply. Here as you can see the theme is changed. Now if you want to save here, first click on star button. Okay, that means your question paper is saved, and you have to make a copy or else you have to save in the folder. So click on move to folder. So click on here plus option, here untitled folder. Suppose class 6th question paper I have made, so class 6th you have to write and you have to move here. Click on move here. As you can see here, my drive to class 6. Alright, now it takes time to save. Now let us go back and check whether our question paper has been saved or not. Alright, go to Google Drive. You should have Google Drive compulsory so that you can check it. Class 6th we have saved here, right? So let us see once. As you can see here, class 6th. See, periodic assessment 1 already entered. Right here, as you can see, if you click on, the question paper will be open, and here is your question paper. Well, now if you want to send the question paper linked to the WhatsApp group, now please click on that airplane button, and here just untick the collect email addresses, and you have to click on the center pin button, shorten URL you have to click, and then copy and then paste it on a WhatsApp chat. So click on WhatsApp. Never, just you can tick here, paste it and click on send button. Alright, so here your question paper is sent. Well, okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will practice this question paper making. So please keep sharing and do subscribe my channel, and please do comment that what you want in my next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.